Okay, so good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to this webinar. Today is the last webinar of this course, but we will start another course in probably the next week or the week after that. I just want to know I just want to know if everything is working fine. Please, can you guys send a message over here? I think everything is working fine from my side. So I think everything is working fine. So guys, let's start our today's session. Now I will take a look at the messages in the chat box first, and then we will get to the core of today's webinar. So Raj Boy ZZ, okay, so Universe is saying hi, video language app, anyone tell me? Okay, Humble Soul Ji is saying, Sir Saeed, your strategy is the, where is it? Okay, so Humble Soul Ji is saying, Sir Saeed, your strategy is the best. You are the best teacher. Thank you so much for teaching us. Thank you so much, Humble Soul Ji. I really appreciate that. I'm extremely humbled by your comments. Thank you extremely much. Bhavik Ji is saying, good evening, son. Good evening, Bhavik Ji. Good evening. Humble Soul is saying, Sir, you are the best. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Again, thanks a lot. Vishal Kadam Ji is saying hi everyone. Prabir Roy Ji, namaskar. Rajiv Sharma Ji, good evening. Okay, so Trader Wild is saying exactly, Sir Saeed is the best. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you for all your sweet comments. Sonu Patel Ji, you are the best, sir. Okay, thank you, Sonu Patel Ji. So let's go ahead and see if you guys have any question. Okay, so if you guys have any question, you are most welcome to ask me. If you don't have any question, then I will go on to the quiz for today. Monu Nagar is there. Hi Monu Nagar ji, I hope you are doing great. Ustama Bashir, thank you for the message. Rafael ji, good afternoon sir. Okay, good afternoon Rafael ji. Yes, all fine sir. Okay, thank you so much. Paramjit Singh is saying structure wali video best hai uski. Okay, so Subodh ji is saying yeah, fine, mine too. Okay, thank you. Sharma ji, thank you so much. I am hearing you clearly. Rafael ji, thank you. Monu Nagar, how to start your analysis, please guide us. Okay, so Monu Nagar ji, I will take your question first and we will then go to the quiz. Okay, because I want many more people to participate in the quiz. Guys, first of all, can I please ask you to like this video, because the video you are watching, there are 29 people watching and there are only how many, 13 likes. So please guys, can you like this video? Thank you so much in advance. So I will start this. I will take this question by Manu Nagar ji. Sir, how to start your analysis, please guide us. Okay, Silver Star is trade. Okay, so Hassan Talib, walaikum salam. Manav Verma ji is saying I have joined. Okay, Manav ji, you are most welcome. Mohan Vedya ji. Okay, Rajiv Sharma ji is saying, sir, sometimes price breaks the resistance with Jack and BH bar, but at that time downtrend line is also occurring same time. What to do? Okay, Manav Verma ji is asking about GBP JPY. What are the expected level in near time? Okay, I will give you this. Please guide us through XAU USD, sir, because there was a massive sell off today. Okay, okay, we will go to the XAU USD also. Don't worry guys, we will discuss all of that and we will also get to the quiz today. So you're saying there was a massive sell off today. Unfortunately I cannot see any sell off. Okay, so you are talking about probably this sell off. Yeah, because you see this is a downtrend going on and then there is this distribution going on. That's why you have this sell off. Okay, perfect example of UT, please. Okay, Salman Tariq ji, yeah, I am going to take this question. I love these questions. So first of all, I will take the question from Monu Nagar ji. Monu Nagar ji is saying how to start the analysis. First of all, the question by Monu Nagar, how to start the analysis. Okay, how to start the analysis, that's the first question we are going to have today. And the next question I will take from okay, Sharma ji. I will take the question from Sharma ji. First attending your video, sir. I am excited. Thank you so much. Okay, so I am trying to sift through the questions because I want to take as many questions as possible. Manav Verma ji, welcome. Hassan Talib ji, walaikum salam. Manav Verma ji, we will discuss. Okay, so we will discuss about the GBP JPY GJ recommendation. Okay, so GJ recommendation, GJ live recommendation, GJ live recommendation. Okay, GJ means GBP JPY. Okay, GBP JPY. Okay, guys, I will also give you some important short forms. Shall I? So GU, XU, XA, BU, and GJ, EU. So what are the full forms of these things? What are the full forms of these things? It's not a quiz. It's not a quiz. It's just I'm asking you what are the full forms of these things. Please guide me through the XAU USD. Okay, we will do that. Ravi Shankar ji, good evening. Good evening, Ravi Shankar ji. Salman Tariq, perfect example of UT. Okay, so examples of UT. Okay, examples of UT. We will surely discuss that. Yes, sir. Since morning, the price has come down a lot, sir. Okay. So we will discuss about XAU USD. Okay, so I am going to write down over here why there is a downtrend. Okay, so that's it. I will discuss the downtrend in GBP in XAU USD. Okay, Bhatia Bharat ji, good evening. Bhavik ji is saying GBP USD, Euro USD. Sir, please add my question also. Rajiv Sharma ji, I am going to add your question first. Sir, sometimes price breaks the resistance with Jack and BH bar, but at the same time downtrend line is also occurring same time. What to do? Okay, so that's a very good question actually, Sharma ji. I will call this when the market breaks the trend channel. Okay, that's a very good question, Sharma ji. I expected this type of questions from you, and you are actually coming up to my expectations, so that's very good, Sharma ji. Keep it up. Yes, that's right, guys. GU is GBP USD, GJ is the GBP JPY, XU is gold, Euro is U. Yes, but XU, what's the meaning of XU? So guys, actually this is GBP USD. Okay, and this one is XAU USD. This one is XAU AUD. Guys, do you know that the gold can also be traded via Australian dollar? There are two ways to trade the gold. One is the usual way in which everybody does this, which is the XAU USD. The other one actually is XAU AUD. So XAU AUD is the Australian dollar version of the gold. Good evening, Kemi ji. Thank you for coming. AU is chemical name for gold, sir. Yes, that's right. Aurium. Actually, XAU is the Aurium. Aurium is the gold, is the chemical name for gold, which you know. So XAU USD is the gold in USD, but XA is the gold in Australian dollar. So please pay attention to this one. Okay, so this one right here. Okay, and how about the BTC? This is BTC USD. Okay, BU is BTC USD. This is GBP JPY. Okay, and this one right here is, of course, as you know, Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD. So that's it. These are the ways in which you can trade gold. I got great loss using candle. Now I am free. I am feeling great by using bars. Hope I will get benefit in marketing by using them. Thank you. Okay, Mohammad Usman ji, I am glad that it is helping you. Okay, so please everybody start using price bars and you will love them. You will really love them. Just use the price bars. Don't use candlesticks. Okay, because the candlesticks are used by the small traders, and you know small traders most of the time they lose. Rajiv Sharma, sir, my question is now. Okay, Rajiv Sharma. Okay, yeah, Bhavik ji, you're right. BTC is Bitcoin. BU is the Bitcoin by USD. Okay, BTC USD. So Rajiv Sharma ji is saying, sir, my question is live now in Euro USD in 15 minutes. Okay, I will go to the Euro USD 15 minutes. Euro USD on 15 minutes. I think guys you can recognize this thing, that this thing right here is called it's called upthrust. Now Usman Tariq ji was asking me this question, sir, give me the perfect example of upthrust. So guys, this is the perfect example of upthrust. Okay, so let's go to 15-minute chart and let's see what Sharma ji has to give us. Okay, has to ask us. So 15-minute Sharma ji, and we are on 15-minute chart. Okay, so the question by Sharma ji, what was the question by Sharma ji? It was when the market breaks the channel. Okay, so let's go to the channel and let's make. I don't see a downtrend channel over here, Sharma ji. I don't see a downtrend channel over here. I rather can see an uptrend channel, just like this. Just like this. I can see an up channel, an uptrend channel. So Sharma ji, I don't think there is a downtrend channel over here on 15-minute chart, but however I will answer your question. Okay, double top, it's downtrend. Yes, Muhammad Usman ji, you are right, it is called double top, and it is also called what? It is also actually called the upthrust. This is upthrust, isn't it? This is upthrust. So guys, this is the perfect example of upthrust. So downtrend channel from top. Sharma ji, I don't think we can draw a downtrend channel from the top like this. Why? It's a very long downtrend. Okay, from top. Okay, so you are talking about this one. Okay, I get it now. Okay, so Sharma ji, the question is, and it is a very good question. Thank you, Sharma ji. That's what I expected from you. So if this is a downtrend channel and we have the channel over here, right? So this is the downtrend channel, isn't it? This is a very clean downtrend channel. So question from Sharma ji is, from Rajiv Sharma, is, sir, when we are having a downtrend channel and the market is going up, so what do we do now? Okay, so I will address this question, guys. This is because this is a very interesting and important question. Okay, so let's say this is a downtrend channel. All right, so this is a downtrend channel and the market is trying to break this channel. So what do we do now? What do we do? Where do we buy or sell? Should we make any trade? So what I will do is I will wait for the market to break this downtrend channel. If it breaks, then it goes like this, it becomes oversold like this, it goes up and then it falls down probably, and then it is taking a spring and then it is trying to go up. Okay, and meantime we know that this is a downtrend channel. All right, so what's going on over here? I will adjust this downtrend channel and I will wait for the market to give me a buy signal, which so far the market has given us one. Where? Exactly over here, because you see this is the test of spring. Okay, so first I will give you the theoretical concept of how to make a trade, and then we will see the market. Okay, the live real market, we will also take a look at that. Don't worry about that. Okay, so what's happening over here? The market is trying to break this trend channel. So what I will do is if I have made a trade over here, I will exit most of my portion over here. Why? Because there are two possibilities, guys. Please try to understand this. Praveen ji, namaskar Praveen ji. Okay, so I am trying to convey a very important message to you guys. And what's that? I'm saying that over here I will take most of my profits out of the market. Why? No, it is not SOT line, it is just trend channel, it is just normal trend channel, downtrend channel. But I will take most of my profits out over here. Why? Because guys, you see, the market has two things to do. Maybe two things. One, Assalamu alaikum sir, what is meant by shakeout? Okay, Moinji, I will address that. Okay, what I will address. Okay, there are two types of things which market can do over here. One, the market might break this trend channel and then come down slowly over here so that I have another trade over here. This is one way. But the other thing is market might not do like this. What the market might do is that it might fall down from here one more time and take probably another spring and then break the trend channel. But so far, so these are the two possible paths of the market, two possible ways the market can go. Okay, so what should we do now? What I will do is I will buy over here, okay, of course, but I will take most of my profits out over here and I will not enter again. If the market is going up, then I have no need to enter. So this will happen, okay? And since I have taken 80% of my profits out, the remaining 20% I will put on my break even and we will see what happens. This is one thing that it can happen. The other thing the market can do is like this. So it might not be able to break the trend channel and it will fall down back again into the trading channel, in this trend channel, the downtrend channel. And then what should we do? Well, you already took out 80% of your profits. That means you are good. Nothing to worry about. University high. So what should we do over here? Okay, so guys, this condition is called clean break. Okay, so this condition is called clean break. बार को कैसे पहचाने कि ये NS ND ERM BH है? Okay, रविशंकर जी, I will discuss that. Okay, so please bear with me. So this condition is called clean break. So guys, whenever you see a clean break, then you can take a trade in the direction which is upside. So you can take a buy trade. If you don't see a clean break, then please don't take a buy trade. Okay, why? Because the market might not give you a good TP. So what about this one? Look at this, the market is falling like a knife. Okay, so falling like knife, falling like knife, falling like knife. What do we do over here? Well, I don't know what we can do, because I think I will wait over here and I will wait for the market to give me a clean signal. So this, I think, is the signal to buy. But you see, there is a problem in this. The problem is that it is already taking most of your TP. It is already moving. The SL will be too big. So if you enter over here, I don't know why somebody will enter over here, but if you enter over here, then I'm saying that you should take 80% of your profits out over here. Why? Because the market might not be able to break the trend channel. But in this case, the market is breaking the trend channel. So what do? We have a very clear entry over here. Guys, look at this. What do you see? It's a bag holding bar closing in the middle. Clear bag holding, isn't it? So that's how I will enter on a clean break of the trend channel. I will wait for the clean break. I will not enter unless I see a clean break of the trend channel. If I don't find a clean break, then I just don't enter. Okay, Sufo FF is saying, okay, Walaikum Salam, Sufo FFG. Nabanita Misra is saying, hello sir, which histogram should I follow and why MACD has only one line in default settings? Misra ji, we are not discussing, at least today we are not discussing anything about MACD, so I'm afraid I am not going to be able to answer your question based on the indicators, because we will have our MACD indicator in the future, and we will discuss it in a lot of details. Today I wanna just take the questions related to our course. Okay. Sir, is news working on channels? Yes, the trend channels can be broken if there is a news. That sometimes the trend channels are broken. Hello sir, this is overnight session. Yes, this is actually overnight session. This right here is the overnight session, guys. This is the overnight one. Okay, so this is the overnight session. Okay, so I will come back to the questions. I already took the question from Sharma ji. This is channel, not Janil. So okay, so I will remove this question because I have already addressed it. What about the other question, why there is a downtrend? Okay, so I will go to a downtrend in what? In downtrend in gold. Okay, so downtrend in gold, guys. Actually, if you go to the higher time frame, if you go to, let's say, 30-minute time frame, 25-minute time frame, or 30-minute time frame, you will see a very clear picture of the market. Okay, so you can see that there is this distribution going on right over here. You can see there is a distribution, isn't it? So look at this. This is a distribution, isn't it? Very, very clear distribution. Welcome Misra ji and welcome Sharma ji. Okay, so there is a very clear distribution. So what do? We will compress the market like this, and we will take a look at what is going on in the overall market. So guys, you can see that there is actually a triple top situation over here, right? So this is one top, this is another top, and then you have this third top. Very, very beautiful trade setup can be found over here. Very, very beautiful trade, very beautiful. Why am I saying very beautiful? Because this is the third touch. And look at this, how the market has fallen like crazy. The market has been falling all this time like crazy market. After which time? After this time over here. And you will also see that there is a distribution going on over here also. So what you need for this type of situation is a double screen. So let's start using our double screen. This is okay, so this is XAU USD and this is also XAU USD. So guys, you can see we have double screen right now, and what I will do is I will only copy the lines from this, and it will give you a good idea about how to take this trade. Okay, so I copy and paste over here, and now you can see this is on what? This is on 5-minute time frame, right? This is 5-minute time frame. And how about this one? Let's put it on 30-minute time frame. Okay, so this is on 30-minute time frame, this is on 5-minute time frame. Where do we have the third touch of the line? Over here, right? So I will make a circle over here so that you can see the circle in this one. I will copy the circle, I will put it over here, and now guys, you can see that we have a distribution on 5-minute time frame also. Guys, if you understand this idea, I think it can make you rich. Please try to understand this thing. If you just understand this simple idea, believe me, it will make you rich. Why am I saying that? Because look at this. What's happening over here is we have 3 touches, 1, 2, and 3 touch, right? So we have 3 touches of this trend line, this downtrend line. So what is happening as and upthrust as well? That's right. Actually, that's right. That's very, very right. Mohammad Usman ji, thank you so much. That's very right. Okay. And what else is going on over here? You see an upthrust as well. Just like this. Very clear double top, isn't it? Very, very clear double top. So I will copy this line over here and put it over here. Okay, so what's happening over here is that we have a downtrending market. This is the second touch, and then you have the third touch over here, guys, the third touch. And what happened is actually you can go to the smaller time frame over here and make a trade right over here. Exactly over here. That is a very good trade, isn't it? Fantastic trade. Actually, I will say that this one also was a good trade. This one itself was a fantastic trade. Why? Because it is already overbought. It is already overbought, and it is reacting to the overbought. If you just sell over here, which is in this case on 30-minute time frame, it is over here. So I will sell probably over here, and I will get rid of, okay, I will get rid of this one. So you can see that we have a 5-minute time frame. I will go to this one, I will sell over here, and if I just put my stop loss just above the black line, you can see how far down it has gone. It has been falling like crazy, like a crazy market. Okay, look at this. So it has been falling all this while. It has been falling like crazy. Just look at this. And actually one more day of falling. That's why you had a downtrend channel. Okay, the downtrend has been going on for a very long time. That's it. So this is why you have a downtrend. Okay guys, so this is how long the downtrend has been going on, and you can see yes, Bhavik ji, it was actually it was also an ERM bar, but you can say that this is also an upthrust. Why am I saying it is an upthrust? Okay, so let me go into it, and I will show you why I am saying that this is an upthrust. Okay, so forget this one. Okay, now we are on 5-minute time frame. If you just put a line over here, can you see this? You put a line over here and you have an upthrust, very clear upthrust, nothing more to think about. Very clear upthrust, isn't it? Very clear upthrust. And then the market falls like crazy. You also can test, you can also trade on the tests. How do you trade on the tests? I will remove this line now, also this one. Let us say that you missed out this one. Okay, so you were not able to trade on this. What do you do now? Just draw this line. One more time, just draw this line. And what do you have? Well, so far you have nothing, right? Because this is first touch, this is second touch, and there is no third touch. What do? You can draw another line, just like this. And what do you have over here? So the first line, so I will make it a little bit different. I will make it, let's say, red. Okay, so the first red line has no third touch, unfortunately. So we just ignore this, we just remove this. This line, does it have a third touch? Yes. Where is the third touch? Right over here. So you can just put your trade over here and forget it. Sir, XAU USD went up due to the safe haven factor according to the news because of SVB crisis, and then USD gained prominence after banking system assured and safety. So did news affect it, sir? Yes. The news has affected XAU USD, but you should not worry about the news. Just follow the market structure. The market structure contains everything. The market structure contains all the relevant information of the news. Kemiji is saying we have a triangle. That's right, Kemiji. We also have a triangle. But if you cannot focus on so many things, you can just focus on this thing alone, that there is a trade happening over here. Okay guys, so I will now go to the quiz. I hope you guys are ready. Okay, so I will, okay, so let me address the questions first. Okay, why there was a downtrend in XAUUSD? We already got an example of this, an example of UT. Okay, so we will take a look at this one. I think this is a great example of UT, and this I think is a fantastic example of TUT, which is a test of UT. You can, I think this was a good place to make a trade over here. Okay, so these two can be used for an example of UT and a test of UT. This is the test of UT, so I will say this is a fantastic example of UT. Very simple example and very, very clear. Nothing much to think about, okay? Nothing much to think about. You are welcome. Unfortunately, I cannot read the name. Maybe it is in Telugu or in Kannada. Unfortunately, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about this. I cannot read your name, but I hope you understand. Okay, sir, 8 UT or a spring volume analysis is required or not? Sharma ji, for now just forget the volume, okay? Of course it is required, but just for now just forget it. Just forget it. Why? Okay, so let me give you a simple hint. Okay, let me give you a simple hint. Okay, so guys, when the market is going up like this, okay, look at this, you can say this is a jack, isn't it? This is a jump across the creek. When the market is going up, you see the volume was rising. Market is going up and the volumes are rising. That means it is good. That means the uptrend is strong. And then you have the market going up further again and the volumes are declining, right? The volumes are declining like this. The market comes down and the volume has increased. Look at this. The market comes down. Okay, so let me make a wave. The market comes down and the red volume has increased. And then, okay, God's time ji high. And then the market comes up again. The market goes up again like this. The market goes up and the volumes are falling. Look at this. So this is a very simple analysis of the volumes you can do. And then suddenly you have an upthrust bar like this. And what happened to the volumes? What happened to the volume? The red volume has increased suddenly. That means what? The red volume has increased suddenly. That means you are right if you take this trade because it is a UT. Sir, please check XAU USD. God's time G, we already checked it, okay? Sharma ji is saying, sir, nice, we have to practice on this. Yes, of course, you have to do a lot of practice, okay? So give me GJ recommendations. I will give you how to start the analysis. Okay, now I will tackle this question, how to start the analysis, okay? So first let's go to the GJ, GBPJPY, okay? So I will give you the GJ recommendations and then we will go ahead. I will go to 5-minute time frame and I can already see that the market is going up and I think this is the distribution. Okay, so it is becoming very, very clear. It's not big deal. It's no big deal. Very simple. For now, I will wait for the market to give me an upthrust over here. Okay, so if the market gives me, very simple guys, nothing much to think about. Okay, don't think too much. If you think too much, a lot of things will be messed up. Just don't think too much and don't jump in the middle, please. Please just don't jump in the middle of the market. Wait for the market to give you the trades, okay? Salinder ji, I will repeat the powerful strategy, okay? But first, for now, GJ recommendation. So I will wait for the market to give me an upthrust over here. If the market comes up and then gives me an upthrust, then I will sell over here, okay? I will sell over here. Yes, Bhavik ji, you're right. Supply has started. Okay, so our strategy, guys, I just want to repeat this, okay? So first of all, background, okay? Background is the most important thing, and then you have support or resistance. Number 3, reference line. Number 4 and number 5. So what's number 4? Number 4 is trend line violation. Okay, so let's call it OS or OB, okay? And then the entry bar. The entry bar can be UT or Spring, BH or ERM, ND or NS. Okay, so guys, this is our strategy. We will enter when we see these conditions. Surprise, what I want to know, if it is not necessary to follow news in always. It's not necessary to follow the news. Yeah, it's not necessary. You can just ignore the news and do your trading without it. Sir, I'm confused between background and reference line. Sharma ji, these two things are related. Background is how far the market is going up. Okay, so I will say that over here the background was very strong. The background is very strong because look at this, the market is going up like crazy. And then it is falling, but again the market is recovering, so I would say again the background is strong. So this is background. But about the reference line, if you ask me, over here the reference line is weak, so I will not buy over here because the market is trying to break out over here. So I will not buy here. You see this, the reference line. So if you are over here, I will not suggest you to buy. Why? Because the market might not be able to fight with this resistance. The market might fall from here, in which case you will be stopped out. That's why I don't think you should buy over here. Okay, that's the difference between the reference line and the background. Okay guys, so I hope you guys are doing great and you are getting ready for the quiz. You guys have already asked me enough questions, so please note this thing. We are gonna have a quiz very shortly. Yes, Kemi ji, news is temporary, but please focus on the quiz now. Okay, so there will be two winners, as you can see, and the winners will get $100 in their OctaFX trading account. Two winners. One winner from each question. So I will ask you two questions. Okay, I will ask you two questions, and the questions are gonna be very easy for you to answer, but it requires a very quick answer. And also you should tell us two things. One, your OctaFX trading account, and number two, the right answer. You can just say A, B or C, whatever the answer is. You can just say this, or you can also write down the full answer, but there is no need for that. Just write down A, B, C or D, whatever the right answer you think is. Okay, Usman ji, that's great. So I think you guys are ready. One winner from each question, guys. One winner from each question. Only the first right answer will be considered. Okay, the first right answer will be considered for winning. So I hope you guys are doing great about the material and you are also able to answer my question. Are you ready for the questions, guys? Are you ready for the question, guys? I hope you are right. You are ready. Ready now? Okay. So here you go. The question number 1. Please give us the right answer along with your OctaFX trading account, guys. Don't forget to write your OctaFX trading account. So when you see a no demand bar, you should do what? A, buy. B, stay away from the market. C, sell. So guys, what's the right answer? What's the right answer to this question? I think I can already see that Salendraji is the winner because he is the first one and he also gave us the right answer. Yes, the right answer is C. The right answer is C. Yeah, that's right. The right answer is C. So the winner is Salendra. Salendra is the winner. Prabir Roy, you are right. Manoj Patra ji, you are right. Rajiv Sharma ji, you are right. Inspiration ji, right. Vidyadhar ji, no, C is the right answer. Bhatia ji, no, C is the right answer. Fazli Jilani, cell is the right answer, yes. Monu Nagar ji, A, no. Monu Nagar ji, you are wrong. Muhammad Usman ji is saying A. No, Muhammad Usman ji, A is not the right answer. Praveen ji, you are right. C is the right answer. Muin Ahmed ji, C is the right answer. Deepak Arya, B, no. C is the right answer. Praveen ji, right. Vijay Singh, right. King Prosper, no. We don't buy at no demand bar. We sell at no demand bar. Okay. Okay, Rafael ji is saying sell. Yes, that's right. Congratulations, the first winner who answered the question correctly. So, Salinder ji, you are the winner. You will get $100 in your OctaFX trading account. Yes, Rafael ji, you are right. Misra ji also right. C is the right answer. Okay, guys, we have another question coming up. So, please get ready. Are you ready? If yes, then I will show you the question. So, guys, are you ready now for the next question? Ravi Shankar is saying yes. Okay. So another question is coming and we are going to have another winner, guys. You still have a chance to win $100 in your trading account. Guys, are you ready? If you are ready, then I will go ahead. And I'm going to show you the question. The other question I'm going to show you, but are you ready? Say yes if you are ready. Okay, guys, so we are gonna have the other question. Question number 2. You can just write down the two things. Again, I'm gonna tell you that you have to write down the two things. One, your OctaFX trading account, because we will give you the $100 of prize in your OctaFX trading account, and we will also check your answer, of course. So you should give us the right answer, which is A, B, or C, along with your OctaFX trading account, guys. I hope you are ready. Everybody is saying yes. Okay, so there you go with the second question. A buy trade is recommended when a spring formed at which location? At the end of a distribution zone, at the end of an accumulation zone, or in a downtrend. Where will you buy? If you see a spring, guys, where will you buy? A, B, or C? What's the right answer? Okay, Usama Bashir is the winner. Usama Bashir is the winner because Usama Bashir is giving us the right answer along with his trading account. Okay, so that's it, guys. The first winner was Salendraji. The second winner is gonna be Usama Bashir. MT5 account number 428722358. Answer B. B is the right answer. That's right. Prabir Roy also right, but you did not write your account number. Muhammad Usman, A, no. A is not the right answer. Praveen ji, you are right. B is the right answer. Okay, Manoj Patra ji, B is the right answer. Yes. Salendra ji, again, B is the right answer. Yes. Bhatia ji, right answer. B, right answer. Sharma ji, B, right answer. Monu Nagar, no. B is the right answer, not C. Vijay Singh is saying C. No. You never trade springs in a downtrend. Rajiv Sharma ji, B is the right answer. Yes. Universe ji, B is okay. Fazli Jelani, right answer. B. Amar Khan, right. Deepak Arya, right. Ravi Shankar, okay. So Bhavik ji is saying A. No, not A. Muhammad Fahim, first I give the answer. Usama Bashir, I think, is the winner. So Usama Bashir, you are right. Hassan Talib ji, I don't think you gave the right answer in the beginning because Usama Bashir is the first one to give us the right answer. So congratulations to Usama Bashir. Misra ji, right, B is the right answer. Rafael ji, B is the right answer. Yes. Moin ji, yes. King Prosper ji, yes, B is the right answer. But we also need your trading account. Okay, Salinder ji is Euro JPY, trade mein hoon. Okay, Jockey ji, all the best with your trade. Okay guys, so let's go ahead with our discussion. We are already done with the quiz. Now we will go back to our discussion on the market. So Usama, okay, welcome Usama Bashir ji. Guys, there was another trade over here, right over here. Why? Because you see this is another upthrust, a minor upthrust. This one was a minor upthrust, isn't it? Please check again. Yeah, a buy trade is recommended when a spring is formed at which location? At the end of an accumulation zone. That's right. Yeah, B is the right answer. Okay guys, so we have one more question left. We already discussed about the GJ live recommendation. There is another request. There is another question about live recommendation. Which one? Okay, so Jackie ji, all the best. Ravi Shankar ji is saying B. Yeah, that's right, but you are unfortunately late. So how to start the analysis? Okay guys, first of all, congratulations to the winners. You guys did an awesome job. I hope you are gonna enjoy your $100. Sir, Euro USD at 15-minute volume green is swelling. Okay, Sharma ji, we will get to the Euro USD. Okay, so we will discuss about the Euro USD live volume analysis. Okay, so we will discuss that. Okay, but first the question is how to start the analysis. That is a very important question, isn't it guys? How to start your analysis? How do you start the analysis? So first of all, what I will do is, guys, let me tell you how I start my day. Okay, so I will go to this, I will save everything, I will copy this, and now I will remove all the drawings. Okay, and now I will go back again. Because I wanna, let's say I am going to start with this London opening time. So this is the time. Mohammad Fahim sir, thank you, give us your time. Thank you so much Mohammad Fahim ji. I hope it helps. So what I do in the morning when I start my trading day, what I will do is generally I will go, okay, so this is 1 hour before the London session, that is also fine. So this is, let's say this is the time when we will start our trading. Okay, so what do we have over here? Well guys, you can see that we have some background which we will do the analysis of, but first I wanna write the questions over here. Okay, so this is the questions, and what I will do is I will, let's say I am standing over here. Now this is just 3 minutes before the London opening time. 3 minutes before London open. Okay, again the London session, when does the London session start, guys? The London session starts at, let me tell you the time. Okay, so according to Kolkata time, the London session actually starts over here 12:30. Okay, the London session starts over here, but sometimes we also have a lot of volatility coming into the market just 1 hour before the London open. So I will encourage you to take any trades from 1 hour before the London session starts. Okay, and nowadays, as you see, the London session starts at 12:30 according to Indian time. Hassan Talib ji, I think the winner was, your answer might be right, but the first one to give the right answer was Osama Bashir. That's why we have nominated him. Okay guys, so you can see over here what's going on. Well, first of all, I will go to the background. Okay, So I will go to, let's say, 15-minute time frame. I will go to 15-minute time frame, and I will take a look at what is going on in the market. And I also want to mark yesterday high and yesterday low. Okay, so where is the yesterday? Where is yesterday, guys? You can see this is today. Okay, so this is today, and yesterday is before this one, which was Friday. What's the highest point on yesterday? So I think this is the highest point of yesterday, because that is when the new session starts. Okay, the new day starts from here, and we have, this is the this point as the highest point of London of yesterday. This is yesterday high, and we also have the yesterday low. So where is the yesterday low? Over here, right? Sir, which time you start and how develop your direction? Okay, so we Monu Nagar ji, I start from 15-minute time frame. You can go back still further, but that's not what I do. Okay, so what's happening over here, guys? I am on 15-minute time frame, and this is just one day before. This is just one day before today, which is yesterday, which is actually Friday, not yesterday. So Friday. So this is yesterday high and this is yesterday low. We already did it. Okay, fine. Now we also need to find a location which we can call as yesterday's axis line. Hassan Talib ji, you might have given the right answer, but the winner is Osama Bashir, because he was the first one. Okay, so this is the axis line. Why do I say this is the axis line? Because look at this, the market has touched this line again and again and again. So I will nominate this one as axis line. You can also say that this probably, yeah, so this is the axis line. That's it, from yesterday. Okay, so this is from yesterday. Now how about today? Today we are going to take a look at the Asian high and Asian low. So how do we mark Asian high and Asian low? So this, I think, is Asian high. This one right here is Asian high, and we also have Asian low, which is over here, right? So this is Asian low. This one is Asian high. So Asian high, Asian low, we have this. And what else? I don't know. So we will, I think we are doing fine. Okay, now I will go back to 5-minute time frame and take a look at the market. What's happening over here? So do we have a trade over here? I don't think we have. So I will go to 3-minute time frame. So what's going on over here, guys? I will make a trend channel starting with this one, and I can see that this one right here over here is overbought, and I will also make it a dashed line. Okay, so what's going on over here? First touch, second touch, and the third touch, but this is huge overbought. Do we have a trade over here yet? No, but we have a trade when this happens. Why? Because take a look at this, guys. Do you agree that this is an upthrust? Yes, it is an upthrust. Why? Because look at this. This is Asian high and this is the upthrust. Asian high and upthrust. So this is actually an upthrust. Fantastic upthrust, isn't it? And we also have Asian low over here, but we can also make a line right over here. Okay, so this is another line. So what I will do is I will actually take a sell trade over here, and I will put it over here, the TP, and let's see what happens. Okay, so let's see what happens. Market is falling, it's falling, it's falling. Okay, so that's it. The TP got hit. The TP got hit. And then I got out of the trade. And then the market falls down further. Okay, that's it. So the market went all the way down to Asian low. Okay, the market went all the way down to Asian low. So what do we have over here? When the market is going down all the way to Asian low, we can also hope for a reversal. So this is how I start my daily analysis, guys. In the meantime, I will adjust the trend line like this, and I will turn it into a full line, and I will put it over here, just like this. And when this happens like this is a fantastic news, isn't it? So it is going down again and again. So it is going down all the way to this level. The market is probably coming down again for a spring. Okay, so this was a spring. This was a spring of Asian high, Asian low, right? So you can also take a buy trade over here. So I will now open this up, and you can see that when you take a buy trade over here, the market has gone up like crazy. And you have the market going like this. Why do we have this line? Because it is touching these levels. So these levels are important. And when the market comes down to this level, you have another trade. Good evening, sir. I just reached home and joined the session. Okay, Ravinder Singh ji, welcome. And do we have another trade over here, guys? Not that I know. I don't think we have any trade over here. So I will not do anything over here. Okay. So what happens then? The market falls down, and we have a test of spring over here. And you can see that this bar right here is the no supply bar. This is a no supply bar. Salinder ji, even if you were the winner, you cannot win 2 times. Okay. This is according to the rules. So we can one person can only win 1 time. The same winner cannot win 2 times. So you have already won the first question. Congratulations to you on that. The second one was for Usama. Okay. Okay, so this is the third trade. The first trade was over here, second trade was over here, and you have a third trade over here. So what's going on over here? When you see the market is going up like this, okay, so this is how we see. Now earlier I was thinking that this might be a distribution. Why? Because you see this is the first down wave and the second down wave, but then the market is reacting to these levels very high with a lot of strength. Look at this. The market is going up with a lot of strength. So what I will do is I will wait over here, and you have a fantastic trade right at this level. Just look at this. Another trade, right? Fantastic trade over here. What do? You also make a trend channel out of this. Adjust your trend channel, and you can see that this is overbought. First you should make a trend channel like this, but then you will quickly realize that this trend channel is already overbought. So you can make a clone out of it and put it over here. So you have a distribution going on over here. Why? Because you can see this is a very important resistance level. So what's happening over here? The market is going up and then coming down. The first down wave, you have the first down wave, and then the market is going up to test, and then it is falling. Look at this, guys. There was a difference between this one, because this is a reaccumulation zone. Now you might think that this is a distribution, but no, this is a reaccumulation zone. Why? And if this is reaccumulation zone, then how come this is the distribution? So I will tell you this is the distribution, and the other one was the reaccumulation. So this is reaccumulation and this is distribution. So I will make it red because it is distribution. Okay, and then what happens? The market is going up, so this is buying climax, automatic reaction, going up for a test, falling, going up for a test, falling, and you can see that you will find some trades over here. How do you find trade? Just put it like this. Just put it like this. Do you have a trade over here? Well, yes. Where do you have a trade? Well, guys, look at this. Take a look at this. Just take a look at this. When the market is going up, the volumes are coming down. Look at this. The volumes have come down. And the first time I will put a bar over here. Look at this bar. Look at this bar. Look at this bar on which I have put the line. Look at this bar. When you have a first down bar, the volume has suddenly increased. So what do? The volume has suddenly increased. So what do? You will just sell here again. Sell here. And you can put your TP at least to this level. Yes, I think this is fine. You put your TP over here. That will be amazing. What do you have? You have a down wave, and then the market is reacting up, and you have another buy trade over here. Why? Because you have a very strong up wave. The market is coming down and you have a trade. Okay, so guys, we have some more trades to take a look at this. So the market is going up, and this is, I would say, this is the triangle or the absorption or the rising wedge. The rising wedge. Going up and coming down and going up. You have a fantastic, beautiful trade over here. Why? Because this is an upthrust and the market is falling like crazy. And you put a line over here, another line over here. You have an RBI setup. This is fall through ice, FTI, fall through ice, and then the market is going up. RBI setup, RBI, fall through ice, then RBI, and then falling again. You have another trade right over here. So guys, this is how we will do the analysis for your trades. Okay, I hope you guys got some good ideas from our today's webinar. I wish you all the best, and I will see you soon on Wednesday. Thank you so much, guys, and once more congratulations to the winners. So that's it, guys. I will take a leave over here and I will leave you with the promo code.